Exercise 8.4 and the question number 5. First part is cosec theta minus cot theta whole square equal to 1 minus cos theta divided by 1 plus cos theta. So you can see, you can observe that here are two sides. This one side as you considered left hand side and this one side you will take as right hand side. So you will take any one side. We will take here left hand side. Then in most of the case you will select the largest side, then this will be easiest to show that the other side. Okay, so now here is the left hand side is cosec theta minus cot theta and this is the whole square. So you can solve this question several types. The solution of this question have so many solutions, but here first one solution you will open the identity, that is a minus b whole square. Otherwise without opening identity direct you solve it just like that. You can write cosec theta equal to 1 upon sin theta. So you will write 1 upon sin theta and minus cot theta equal to cos theta upon sin theta. So this is again you will write as cos theta upon sin theta and whole square is same to same. Okay, since you know that cosec theta equal to 1 upon sin theta and cot theta equal to this is cos theta upon sin theta. So you will use these two identities in this question. Now you can say that denominators is same. So you will take the LCM. What is the LCM? It's sin theta. So sin theta is the LCM and then here you will get 1 minus cos theta and this is the whole square is again same to same. Don't touch it. Then what to do? Now you operate this bracket only. So what you will get, that is 1 minus cos theta whole square and sine is also sine square theta. Okay, but dear, keep in mind always that this sine theta whole square is only and only written as into the form sine square theta. You cannot write this is just that sine theta square. This is wrong. And you cannot write this sine square theta square. This is again wrong. You can write because here is the trigonometry ratio and trigonometric ratio is only sine. So you will mark the square only such that sine square theta, not theta square or not sine square theta square. This is both wrong. Okay, so you will write sine square theta only. So here you can get sine square theta, but you know one more identity, sine square theta equal to sine square theta equal to 1 minus cos square theta. This is the value of sine square theta. So you will put here, you will use that identity here. 1 minus cos theta, once again same to same, don't touch it, and divide by 1 minus cos square theta. But dear, this is 1 is written as 1 square. Now you can see that is a square minus b square. A square minus b square means a plus b and a minus b. So you will write once again it as 1 minus cos theta whole square and divide by 1 minus cos theta and this is 1 plus cos theta using the identity a square minus b square equal to a plus b and a minus b. So dear, this 1 minus cos theta whole square is written as 2 times, that is 1 minus cos theta. Now you can observe that in the numerator and the denominator some things is same. So this is cancelled out. Now remaining things you can write, you will get 1 minus cos theta divided by 1 plus cos theta. So dear, this is your right hand side. So you can write here, this is right hand side. Finally, you will write here left hand side. Therefore, left hand side equal to right hand side, hence proved. So this is the solution. इस तरह से this is the second part of this question. Cos A upon 1 plus sin A plus 1 plus sin A upon cos A equal to prove that this is 2 secant. So first step, you will write there left hand side and right hand side. So this one is left hand side and this is the right hand side. So you will select the largest side. Largest side is left hand side. So you can take left hand side, that is cos A upon 1 plus sin A plus 1 plus sin A upon cos A. So here you cannot use any identity because you not know. So you directly take the LCM. LCM of these things is 1 plus sin A and into cos A. So no need to write there into. After that 1 plus sin A, 1 plus sin A is cancelled out. You will get cos A and cos A. So cos A into cos A, you can write that cos square A plus, and cos A again cancelled out, and 1 plus sin A and 1 plus sin A. So you will get 1 plus sin A as whole square. Now dear, you know that an identity A plus B whole square equal to A square plus 2AB plus B square. So you use this identity here. That is the simple identity which you learn in class 8. Okay. So dear, cos square is same to same you will write. And here A square, that is 1. No need to write square. Plus sin square A. And then plus 2AB means 2 sin A. And whole divide by, you will write same to same, don't multiply it. That is 1 plus sin A and into cos A. So dear, you can see that this cos square A and plus sin square A, this gives you A identity. That is cos square A plus sin square A equal to 1. Okay. So these two are identity which you used here. So this is 1. Once again see here, cos square A plus sin square A equal to 1. So we write here 1. And this one is here already. So you write plus 1 and then plus 2 sin A upon 1 plus sin A and into cos A. So you will write same to same. Now 1 plus 1 dear, 2. 2 plus 2 sin A. What is the common? 2 is common. So you will take 2 as common. So you will get, here you can see that 2 plus 2 sin A upon something. So 2 is common. So what is remaining here? 1 and here sin. So 1 plus sin A and divide by 1 plus sin A and into cos A. So आपने एकदम ठीक कहा. This sin A and sin A is cancelled out. Then you will remaining 2 upon cos A, and 2 upon cos A is written as 2 into 1 upon cos A, and 1 upon cos A here secant. So you can write as 2 into sec A, and this is the dear right hand side. So you can write this one is right hand side. Finally you can write that therefore left hand side equal to right hand side and proved. So this is the solution of this question. This is the part number 6 of question 5. Under root 1 upon sin A divide by 1 minus sin A equal to sec A plus tan A. First of all, you will write this one is left hand side and this is the right hand side. Once again you will take the left hand side. Left hand side is under root, means root over 1 plus sin A and divide by 1 minus sin A. So this is the left hand side. What to do? Yes, you will do here very nicely. Try to understand. You can observe what is the sign here. Sign is negative, so just opposite sign, and with the same denominator you multiply numerator and denominator both. That is 1 plus sin A here and also 1 plus sin A here. क्या मैंने बताया कि यहाँ पे जो डिनोमिनेटर वही सेम लिखना है, बट चेंज द साइन. यहाँ पे माइनस था तो प्लस कर लेना है, ठीक है. एंड ऑल्सो राइट दिस जस्ट इनटू द अंडर ब्रैकेट. दिस इज द मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट स्टेप्स. अगर आप यहाँ पे अंडर ब्रैकेट कहीं भी नहीं लगाते हो तो 1 प्लस साइन ए का मल्टीप्लाई केवल साइन ए में ही समझा जाएगा, ठीक है. और अगर यहाँ पे ब्रैकेट नहीं लगाते हो तो 1 प्लस साइन ए का केवल यहाँ 1 में मल्टीप्लिकेशन समझा जाएगा. So under bracket is necessary. After that you can observe in the numerator. This is the same things. That is x into x is x square. So you will write just into the form under root 1 plus sin A whole square and divide by. Here you can observe that a minus b and a plus b. So this is a square minus b square. That is 1 square minus sin square A. Okay, but here you can see that this is the whole square. So root is cancelled out only on the numerator, but not into the denominator. So you will write this step such that 1 plus sin A and divide by under root 1 minus sin square A. This is the necessary steps. यहीं पे गलती होती है. आप स्क्वायर रूट एकदम से हटा देते हैं बच्चे, मैंने देखा है, तो वो नहीं हटाना है. यू विल रिमूव ओनली दिस स्क्वायर एंड स्क्वायर रूट इज कैंसल्ड आउट फ्रॉम ओनली द न्यूमरेटर, बट डिनोमिनेटर यू विल गेट सेम. आफ्टर दैट 1 माइनस साइन स्क्वायर इक्वल टू कॉस स्क्वायर. सो यू कैन राइट 1 प्लस साइन ए अपॉन अंडर रूट कॉस स्क्वायर ए, एंड दिस इज अगेन जस्ट इनटू द फॉर्म ऑफ स्क्वायर. So once again this root is cancelled out in this step. अब इसे यहाँ पे कैंसिल करना है, तो ये आपका हो जाएगा 1 प्लस साइन ए अपॉन ओनली कॉस ए. नाउ यू सेपरेट इट. जब आप सेपरेट करोगे तो होगा 1 अपॉन कॉस ए एंड प्लस साइन ए अपॉन कॉस ए. एंड हियर यू नो वेरी वेल दैट 1 अपॉन कॉस ए इज sec a. So you will write this is sec A and this one is known as tan A. So you can write this is tan A. And you can observe sec A plus tan A, this is the right hand side. So you can write here this is the right hand side. Finally you can write therefore left hand side equal to right hand side hence root. ये आपका क्वेश्चन था, इसको इस तरह से करना है. सो दिस इज द पार्ट नंबर 8 ऑफ दिस क्वेश्चन नंबर 5. साइन ए प्लस कॉसिक ए होल स्क्वायर प्लस कॉस ए प्लस सेक ए होल स्क्वायर इक्वल टू 7 प्लस tan स्क्वायर ए प्लस कॉट स्क्वायर ए. सो यू विल सेलेक्ट वंस अगेन लेफ्ट हैंड साइड ओनली. सो हियर इज द लेफ्ट हैंड साइड, दैट इज साइन ए प्लस कॉसिक ए whole square equal to plus cos A and plus sec A whole square. Here you will use only a single identity which you learn in class 8, that is A plus B whole square. It is A square plus B square plus 2AB. Okay. So now dear, A square means sin square and plus cosic square plus 2 sin A into cosic A. Again in the second bracket, once again use same identity, that is cos square A plus sec square A plus 2 cos A and sec A. Okay. So dear, once again try to understand sin square a plus cos square a.
1.
This is 1. You know identity, sin square a plus cos square equal to 1. So you will write here 1 plus, and cosec square a. Okay, first of all you will write cosec square is same to same, plus 2 sin a, and cosec a equal to 1 upon sin a. Use here the second identity. This is a cosec a equal to 1 upon sin a. So in this place you will write 1 upon sin a, and then cos square plus sin square already 1. So here is nothing. Now sec square, and then once again you can see 2 cos a is same to same, and sec a equal to 1 upon cos a. Now cos a and cos a cancelled out, sin a and sin a is cancelled out. 2 only remaining here. Here is also only 2 remaining. So 2 plus 2, 4 and 1, 5. And cosec square equal to 1 plus cot square a. This is the next identity. So here you will write 1 plus cot square a, and also sec square a equal to 1 plus tan square a. So you will write 1 plus tan square a. 1 plus 1 plus 5.
7.
This is 7.
Cos square a plus tan square a.
Yes, so you arrange the term tan square a first of all. Tan square a plus cot square a. And here this is the right hand side. Finally you can write that left hand side equal to right hand side, hence proved. But keep in mind that here you use the another identity, that is cosec square a. Cosec square a equal to 1 plus cot square a, and sec square a equal to 1 plus tan square a. So these identity you will use here, and also sin square a plus cos square a equal to 1. Another identity, cosec a equal to 1 upon sin a, and sec a equal to 1 upon